Protesters stormed Raisina Hill. They braved the lathis, stood tall against the water cannons to fight for justice. A day later, undeterred by the crackdown and despite a complete lockdown of India Gate and Raisina Hill, the protesters were back on the streets. Their resolve unchanged, only their location.
वो सिर्फ बोल रहे हैं, वो कुछ करके नहीं दिखा रहे, और जब तक वो कुछ करेंगे नहीं, तब तक हम भी चुपचाप बैठने वालों में से नहीं हैं।
कहीं ना कहीं ये सारा जो ब्लॉकेट है, इसी की वजह से इस देश का, इस दिल्ली का आम नागरिक आज ज्यादा गुस्से में है।
As the government imposed prohibitory orders in and around India Gate, protesters gathered at Jantar Mantar to continue their fight for justice.
Delhi police have cordoned off this entire area. No one is allowed to come in. Even if you have a government vehicle, then also you are not allowed to come in. You are just supposed to walk in this entire area. And this road, Raisina Hills, is leading up to Rashtrapati Bhavan. You can see this entire area has been cordoned off, and no one, not even anyone, can walk through this entire barricading of police. You have to go up the stairs and then go to either North Block or South Block. So this is the preventive measure which Delhi police and government has taken.
The national capital has turned into a fortress. With the arrival of Russian President Vladimir Putin and with the threat of more protesters pouring in today, the Delhi police has not only decided to block the roads that lead to India Gate and the Raisina Hill, but they've also shut down 9 metro stations in the city. I'm outside the Rajiv Chowk metro station, which is one of the 9 stations which will remain shut till further notice.
Not just metro commuters, but those on roads faced massive traffic jams, as the Delhi police shut down 8 arterial roads that lead into India Gate and crossroads, including Rajpath, Rafi Marg and Janpath. Fearing a backlash, the government even shifted the location of Putin's meet with Prime Minister Manmohan Singh from Hyderabad House to 7 RCR.
Even after the police crackdown on protesters at India Gate, cries of "We want justice" continue to echo the streets of Delhi. The only difference, the protesters have now moved from India Gate or Rajpath to Jantar Mantar.
Don't give them easy death. That's all.
क्यों लाठीचार्ज कर लिया? हम लोगों ने कुछ किया तो नहीं है ना, हमने सिर्फ प्रोटेस्ट ही किया है. We want justice for the girl. We want justice for her. We want the perpetrators of her crime to be executed.
The agitation was not confined to the national capital alone. Other cities like Bangalore took to the streets in protest. With Vijay Kao in Delhi, Bureau Report, Headlines Today.